You ever have one of those days where your brain just won't quit? You're brushing your teeth or driving home, and suddenly you're replaying something awkward from last week, worrying about someone else's situation, second-guessing whether you said too much or not enough. Most of us, we're carrying way more than we realize. Not just tasks and responsibilities, but emotions, expectations, invisible pressure that isn't even ours to begin with. And that's why shifting into peace begins here, with reflection. Not the overthink everything kind, not the fix yourself kind either, but the kind that helps you quiet the noise and get honest with yourself. This kind of reflection it's more like taking inventory, checking in, asking, what am I carrying and do I really need to? Reflection isn't always easy. Sometimes it stirs things up. And if you're already running on empty, turning inward might feel overwhelming. So go slow. As a way to beat yourself up. This isn't about shame, it's about awareness, so you can choose differently next time.